Good morning, students. Yes, friends, as you know, our topic is concept of angles. But in previous lecture, we discussed few questions of exercise 70. I think last question is pending, so we'll discuss question 5 once again. Okay. Now, exercise 70. Fifth question. Yes, yes. Fifth question is, in the adjoining figure, name the points. In figure, we have an angle and few points are there on this angle. Some points are lies on the angle, some points are interior of this angle, and some points are exterior of this angle. Now find which points are lies on the angle. Part A is find the points which lies on the angle. Then in part B, we will write the points who are interior in this angle. And that part C, the points exterior of this angle. First, we will draw the figure same as this is an angle. Now, the points vertex is O. This point is D, Q, and this point is E, point M, point P, and this point is point Z. Next are X, point Y, point A, and point N. Yes, there are some points. Now, first, write in a joining figure, name the points, part A. Part A on the angle. Now we write the points which are lies on this angle. Part A on the angle. Yes, friends. The points which lies on this angle are point P, point P, point M, point O, point D, and point Q. So these are points which lies on this angle. Point P, M, O, D, and Q. These points lies on the angle. Next is part B. In the interior of the angle, the points which are interior. Interior means inside. This is an angle. This is interior side, and this part and this part. These are exterior parts. Okay. Now write the points interior in this angle. Interior in this angle means point which lies interior of this. Interior means inside. These points are point X, point Y, point A, and point N. Part B, interior of the angle. Interior, point X, Y, A, and these points are interior of the angle. Now next is points exterior of the angle. Exterior, part C. Exterior of the angle. Exterior means outside. Point Z and point T. These are 2 points are exterior of this angle. Point Z and point. Here, beta. First write point lies on the angle P, M, O, D, and Q. Now points which are interior of this angle. These points are X, Y, point A, and point N. Now at last, points exterior of this angle. These are points Z and point P. Yes. So this is the last question of this exercise. Next, beta. Next topic we discuss how we can measure the measure an angles. Next point is how we can measure an angles. Yes, students, angles are measured in degrees. Angles are measured. When we measure anything, we will use a unit to measure this. So when we measure angle, we use unit degree. So angles are measured in degrees. Now, of course, now we have we want to write an angle of 45. 45. So we write as 45. 45. Now write angle 90 degree. 90. 90. Right angle as 45 degree, 90 degree, 150 degree. So the angles are measured in degrees. And the next is angles are measured with the help of protractor. The instrument which we use to measure the angle is protractor. In your geometry box, you have this. So this is a protractor. With the help of protractor, you can measure angles. Now, how we can use this protractor to measure the angles? Now, students, you can see this is a shape of semicircle. This is the shape of semicircle, and this is the center of this protractor. Center. Now, in every protractor, we have two scales: inner scale and outer scale. Inner scale means inside, scale inside. Now you can see two lines are here. This is the inner scale and this one is the outer scale. We have two scales in this protractor. You can see we have two scales, inner scale and outer scale. Yes, Buta. Inner scale. First we discuss about the inner scale. Inner scale start from right hand side. Here we have 0, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 60, at center 90 degree. Then 100, 110, 120, 140, 150 up to 180. So this is the inner scale. Inner scale start from right hand side. It starts with 0, 10, 20 up to at center we have 90 and at last we have 180. 0 to 180. Now with the outer scale. Outer scale starts from left hand side. Left hand side 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 60 up to 180. Now students will discuss in which case we use inner scale or outer scale. Now use of inner scale or outer scale. For this, friends, draw any two angles. Now, how we can measure an angle? For this, let us draw an angle. So this is an. These are two arms of this angle. Now friends, measure this angle. We will measure this angle with the hand protector. First, this is the vertex of this angle. This is the vertex of this angle. Now put the center of protector, put at vertex like this. Put the center at vertex and match this ray with your protector. Match this ray with your protector. Then when we match the base this ray with protector, then start from 0. Now 0 is at inner state. Yes, friends. When we put the center on the vertex and we match this ray with the protective space, then start 0. Now 0 is on inner scale. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Here we have 50. After 50, we have 4 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this angle is 54 degrees. This line match at 54. 50 up to 4, 54. So measure of this angle is 54. 54. Yes, friends. And by using protector, you can measure an angle. Now, use of inner and outer scale. See once again. Now, draw any two angles. First is an angle. Now measure this angle. It's the vertex. Now second angle is now you can see the two angles. Now friends, with the help of protector, measure these angles. First friends, again put the center at vertex and match this ray with the boundary of this like this. Now friends, when we match the center vertex and this line match with boundary line, then now start from 0. Now the 0 is in our inner scale. 0 is on inner scale. Now start with 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So this, it means this angle is 50 degree. So measure of this angle is 50 degree. How can I measure this angle? Again, put the center at vertex and match the ray with the basic. Now measure this angle. Now again start from 0. Start from 0. Yes, start. Now you can see 0 is on outer scale. So in this case, we use outer scale. Okay. Start from 0 and 0 is at outer scale. Now start from 0, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 and small 5 lines. 65. So this is an angle of 65 degrees. Here, beta, in this angle, we use the inner scale. To measure this angle, we use the inner scale. And in this angle, we use measure this angle outer scale. Okay. The rule is same. Join the center with vertex and join the ray from the base of this protector. Then can we join, put the center at vertex and join these two lines? Then always start from 0. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40 up to here. Yeah, beta? Now, friends, we'll give two or three more examples to measure some angles. Now, draw. Again, we have two angles, first and second. So these are two planes, and these are two planes, and the vertices. Now in second angle, these are two wheels, and vertex of this angle is. Now, friends, with the help of protector, measure these two angles. Again, put the center, okay, and match this way with continent. Now, when we put the center on vertex and match these two lines, then start from 0. Now, in this case, 0 is in our outer scale. So use outer scale. 10, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Then this is 110. 110. It means this is an angle of 110. 110. This is an angle of 100. The measure of this angle is 110 degrees. Clear? Next is now measure with the help of protectors. Measure this angle again. Put the center on vertex and match these. Now, when we match this line, start from 0. Now, the 0 is in our inner scale. So, use inner scale. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 90. So, it means this an angle of 90. Measure of this angle is 90 degrees. Yes, students? Now, students, in exercise 71, first and second questions are measure. In the first question, we have 6 figures are given in this first question. First question is measure the following angle using protector. Yes, but our first and second question, by using protector, measure the angle, measure angle of these 6 parts. So, after this lecture, with the help of protector, you'll complete the first and the second question. Okay? Try to measure these angles with the help of protector. Clear, beta? Now we discuss next point, that is types of angles. Classification of angles means types of angles. Our next point is types of angles. Yes, first is of an angle. First one is acute angle. This is the acute angle. And first type is acute angle. So what are acute angles? What are acute angles? Is an angle whose measure is more than zero and less than 90 degrees. And angles which measures more than zero but less than 90 degrees are known as acute. In other words, we can say the angles which measures between 0 to 90. An angle which measures 0 to 90 are known as acute angles. So acute angles are those angles which measures more than 0 degree, 0 but less than. Acute angles are those angles whose measure is more than 0 but less than 90. These angles are acute angles. Second type is right angle. Right angle. An angle which measure is 90. This 90 degree. Angle which measures 90 degree. Only 90 degree angle is known as right angle. In acute angle, we have got 36 degree, 86 degree, 50 degree, 54 degree. These all are acute angles. But in right angle is 90 degree. So see once again, acute angle are which measures 0 to 90 degree. 0 to 90 degree means 15 degree, 35 degree, 45 degree, 56 degree. These all angles are acute angles. Second type is right angle, an angle which measures 90 degree. It's known as right. Now, but our third type is obtuse angles. Third type is obtuse angles. Obtuse angles and angles which measures more than 90 but less than 180. An angle which measures more than 90 degree, but less than 180 degree. These angles are obtuse angles. In another word, to say the angles between 90 to 180. And angles which are between 90 to 180 degree are known as obtuse angles. Yeah, beta. Next is straight angle. Fourth type, straight angle. Straight angle. An angle which measures 180. 100 is known as straight angle. Straight angle means straight line. In protractor, you can see 0 to 180. 180 zero. It means this is an angle of 180 degrees straight line. The measure of straight angle is 180 degrees. Next, with our reflex angle, with time, reflex angles. Now, what are reflex angles? And angles whose measure is more than 180 degrees, but less than 360 degrees. An angle which measures is more than 180 degrees, 180 degrees, less than 360. Means angles between angles between 180 degrees to 360 degrees are known as reflex angle. At last, complete angle. Complete angles. Complete angle. Yes, madam. An angle which measures 360 degrees. 360 degrees is complete angle. So these are all types, classification of angles, these types of angles. See once again. First is acute angles. First type is acute angles, and angles whose measure is more than 0 degree but less than 90 degree. More than 0 and less than 90 degree are acute angles. Second type is right angle, an angle which measures 90 degree is right angle. Third type is obtuse angles. Yes, what are obtuse angles? And angles which are more than 90 degree, which measures more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree are obtuse angles. Next is straight angle, an angle which measures 180 degree is straight. Next is reflex angles. Reflex angles and angles which are more than 180 degree but less than 360 degree. And complete angle is 360. Now you will see the few examples of acute, obtuse, and right angle. Now angles. Now, this is an angle 0 to 90 at center. 90 degrees at center. In photograph, you can see 90 degree at center. So this angle is less than 90 degree. It means this angle is an acute angle. And this angle is straight. Straight. So it means the help of protection to say, see, this is an angle of 90 degree. So this is an example of 90 degree. And this angle is more than 90 degree. 90 degree is at center. So this part is more than 90 degree. So it means this angle is an obtuse angle. So first, these three angles. First angle is acute angle. Acute. Right angle. This is obtuse angle. Now, in classification of these angles in way. Now, friends, this is an angle. We'll start from, this is a 0. Start from 0. Protector, you can see all angles starting where we have 0. Start from 0. So let's start here. So first is acute angle. This angle is an acute. Again, this is the acute angle. Now, straight. These are two straight lines. Second type, this is the right angle. First is acute, then right. This is the right angle. Next, increase length. Now this is a obtuse angle. This angle is more than 90 degrees. Obtuse angle. Now straight. This angle is 180 degrees. 180 degrees. Now increase. Now this is an angle. This is an angle of reflection. The measure of this angle is more than 180 degrees. At last, this is a complete angle. Complete angle. Yes, friends. Now see once again. First is acute angle. Now, right angle. Obtuse angle. Straight angle. Reflex angle. Complete angle. Clear, beta? Now see once again. In sequence, first thing is acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle, this one, obtuse angle, now straight, semicircle, straight angle. So straight angle and the increase. And now angle start from here. The measure of this angle is more than 180. It means reflex angle. Now start from here. This is a complete and full circle, complete angle 360. Yes, students. So, students, today your homework is complete questions first and second of exercise 71 and write all these types of angles in your journal. Thank you. Have a nice day.